Guys, I just finished put all my clothes, shower, did my hair. I just need to go to I said I was going to Burlington. It's raining. I might go a little bit later, but I'm just gonna just chill, watch movie. You guys need to watch Why Women Kill because oh my gosh, it's really good. I'm about to watch Love is Blind, a new one. And what else? What else? I think that's it, guys. I'm just gonna close this vlog right here. So this is just a little get ready with me. Not really. Thank you guys for watching again. This is the hair. I just put it in a bun, so I'm gonna be laying down. It's just like a crazy messy bun, nothing special. I actually like it. You know, I'm gonna try different gels to see which one can work better with the hair. But so far, this one is okay. You know, it's not like perfect, but it's fine. Bye. I want to show you guys what we got. I already start eating this one right here. And this is my first time trying this drink. Okay. And some lemon cake. Yummy. I can't wait. Guys, this is how it looks like. So it has cheese and ham. I start eating it already. Picking at it. Look at. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me put this away. Okay. So I am going to take this V part out. Okay. I did sew it. I left it for 2 weeks, but my hair is looking crazy. This is what I'm using. Where I see thread, we're going to cut. You see how easy? I didn't do the back. There was no point of me. But if you feel like, oh my gosh, it's not secure, I feel weird and stuff, it's my nephew. He think this is funny. If you guys hear something, it's my nephew. My hair's saying, please help me. I need some love. The front is super dry, as you can see. I was supposed to do a deep treatment. I'm not gonna do a deep treatment today. I don't want to spend the whole day just dedicated to my hair. So I'm just gonna like braid it back, put a cap on, and I have this wig I just washed. I don't know if it's gonna be ready. If it's not, I'm gonna blow dry it. Then yeah. Some conditioner, mostly on where you're gonna have to take it out. We go for this. These one that's already stuck out. You want to have a lot of slip, so cause detangling and taking out your braids are very important, and that's how people get a lot of breakage. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm almost done. Yo, I'm almost done. I really want to cut the ends. Bye. You see I look nice. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about me. Well, it's a continuation of the video I did last time. Close the door, Rocky. Bye. Close the door for me. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. But first thing I'm gonna do is basically brush my baby hair, you know, brush my edges. And I'm not trying to just leave it for a day or two because, girl, I don't want anything that's going to mess up my edges. I think I have the glue, the Gold Bond glue, but I don't have a blow dryer. So it's probably going to look stupid and white because you need that heat to kind of like, I have a blow dryer, but it's like, you know, the one with the comb, the one with the one, like the Revlon one. That's the one. Anyway, let's get started. So I'm going to just like brush them baby hair. For that, I'm going to use Shine Jam. You can't go wrong with Shine Jam, right? Right. Another one that I like to use. Let's see if Shine Jam is gonna do it though. You better do that. Okay. Yo, do you see? Do you see? I need to hurry up, put a bandana so it could just like, I want to take every little hair. I don't want no hair to be out. So pretty. Just tie it up. Yo, if I cut my hair, this is how I would look bald, okay? I'm thinking about shaving my head, but that's something for another day. I should wait for just 2 minutes, to be honest. I just want to move on to the next thing because I have things to do. I have this hair for a long time, guys. When I say long time, I mean long time. This is the hair. I do have a hair video about this hair already, so I don't want to just go and, you know. Yeah, the hair is really nice. I really like it. Yeah, so far so good. This is from Love Me Hair. Love Me Hair do have good hair, I'm not gonna lie. They are expensive, but it is great quality hair and they last. This is a whole 360, have lace everywhere. So I can actually do anything I want. I'm really scared, guys. The reason why I'm really scared is because I have a low forehead. When you have a low forehead, it's kind of really hard. If you have a big forehead, you could just put it right here. But because I have a low forehead, it looks like my hairline is too low, if that makes sense. So we'll see. Okay, guys, so I'm back with the hair cap, the wig cap, I mean. Yeah, I don't have all the supplies. I wanted to do like the ball method, but like I said, I don't have that. The spray and stuff in the blow dryer. See? Yeah. Why are you not staying inside? So we're just gonna like get a different color. The reason why I'm cutting it is I'm giving some layer. I do feel like it'll frame my face better with some layer. This is right here. So I'm confident with my scissors. That's why I'm not worried. But there's none. It's doing what it's supposed to do. It's giving what it's supposed to give. We are going to curl it. Curl. Ooh, that shit is melting. What? What? Melting.